At SAP, we have customers that manufacture everything from pasta to aircraft carriers. As such, SAP provides a comprehensive manufacturing portfolio spanning fully automated lights-out processing to engineering-centric, labor-intensive manufacturing. SAP S/4HANA Manufacturing for Production Engineering and Operations, referred to as PEO, is well suited for products that are highly engineered, highly complex, with long build cycles. PEO functionality at a high level receives a source bill of materials, defines routing operations, authors rich text multimedia work instructions, and provides manufacturing execution capabilities. What differentiates PEO is the elimination of external standalone manufacturing execution solutions. The value provided to IT is saving time and money, allowing those resources to focus on innovation. Value to the shop floor has everything to do with insight and agility, eliminating holdups and delays. From a top floor value perspective, because SAP S/4HANA Manufacturing for Engineering and Production Operations is part of the digital core, every engineering-defined dimension, manufacturing specified process, financial or supply chain transaction, and every data collection or button click occurring on the shop floor is all contributing to the same business outcome in real time. This is just not possible in any other manufacturing solution that is operating in an external data silo.